What's up, people? It's your boy AlphaBlue, and you're welcome to yet another daily EURUSD Technical and Fundamental Analysis. So, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Do well to hit the subscribe button if you want to be getting more content like this. So, this is EURUSD on the 4-hour time frame, and it looks pretty good. Yesterday was actually a red day for me. I took 2 losses and I called it a day, and I'm going to show you guys in a second. But right now, Euro USD is selling into this demand zone right here, as you can see. So we're going to wait to see how the market reacts to this demand zone. This is early London. London is about to open in the next like 20 minutes. So price has just come into this demand zone like almost. I think this is the first time it's properly getting into this demand zone right here. So we're going to wait to see how price reacts to this demand zone. If price is going to push buy to the upside, then we buy, or wait to see if it's just going to keep selling. So price has just taken this liquidity here, and London is about to like open in the next few minutes. So we'll watch and see what price does. If price is going to push to the upside, then we trade alongside what price does. But today is actually very filled with red events, like almost the whole throughout the whole day. 1:15, 1:30, 3 p.m. We have all of these red events coming up. So if we're not able to catch a trade this early London, then we may just chill out for the whole day because by by New York session, the market is going to be crazy. The market is going to be very volatile. So if we're not able to catch an entry this London, that may just be it. So um, let me show you what I traded yesterday. Let's go to the 30 minutes. So yesterday I was anticipating to long the market. I in fact did long the market. I was targeting that the market was going to come all the way to this high right here. But then, so during London, when I waited at London open, I saw price take out this liquidity right here, this week right here, with this move. When it swept it here, then I entered my first buy around here. I entered my first buy position around here. Price went my way in over almost 3 hours. Then it just formed this liquidity here and just came back and took my SL. It was really, really annoying, very frustrating. After price has moved that far, I didn't really anticipate price to come back at all. I didn't set my stop loss to break even. I just let it be. Next thing in like an hour, price just came and cleared my SL. So I waited. I saw that price took out this week and started changing character to the upside again. So when I saw this, I felt, well, we probably have formed liquidity here, induced liquidity here, then swept liquidity to the low. So we may just see price push up now. So I entered another buy here. It went about 1 hour, came back, slammed my SL. So when it hit me out for the second time, I'll just close that for the day. I'm trying to keep to my rules now. By God's grace, I will. Two losses at most for the day, -1% at most for the day. So once that happened, I just closed my laptop and then called it a day. Then the market just misbehaved. Yesterday was very annoying. People that made money yesterday probably were those that sold the market with this move. But I was no longer interested, man. Everything was no longer appealing to me. So I just left the market. But I would say generally yesterday's price action was pretty boring and annoying. Market didn't really go anywhere, just ranged, and then we get those ranged throughout yesterday. This was pretty much the move. This move was almost 30 pips. So if only my target was here, I probably would have made money, but I was targeting all the way here, so I got stopped out. And then market did this before selling off. So today, right now, let me show you guys my targets for today. Now you can see that price has swept this liquidity here, has taken out this week right here. So we'll wait to see what the market will do. if it will give us buying opportunities. If it will give us buying opportunities. I'm not going to be targeting much. What I'll just do is to target this week right here. That's if the market gives us that opportunity to buy. My first target that I'll be looking is this week right here. I know it's close, it's not so much of a target, but this is honestly the first place that I'm going to be eyeing to buy the market to. Then this is my next target. This equal highs right here. This relative equal highs or equal highs. So this is a liquidity that market will likely come and clear. This one right here. It's liquidity that market will likely come and clear. So if the market is going to respect this demand, it will likely come and clear this liquidity. In fact, the ultimate destination of this market is right here. Let me show you. This right here is the ultimate destination of this market. But I wouldn't want to shoot that far for that far. You get? This right here is the ultimate destination of the market, because if the market is going to buy off this demand, it's going to clear all of this liquidity that it has generated. Let me show you. Look at the liquidity. All of this trend line liquidity is going to be washed away. You get? It's going to be washed away. So if the fundamentals that is coming out today is going to favor the buy, I'm pretty sure that by the end of today, we are likely going to see price back to this top, because the fundamentals is going to make the market very volatile. So the market is going to push so hard. So if the fundamentals will favor today's buys, we're likely going to see price wash all of these things to the upside, clear all of this liquidity to the upside, because the market taps this supply here and has been, respecting it, creating lower lows and lower highs. But then it's still within the influence, or it's still within the zone of this demand here. So if this demand is going to get respected, we're likely going to see price clear out all of these liquidities and shoot straight to the upside, right? That's what we're likely going to see. But I wouldn't want to target that far. What I would just target for in this market is this liquidity here. This equal high here. That's just what I'm going to target. And then if we're able to get that, fine. We'll call it a day. But let's see how the market reacts, and let's see what the market does. So let's go to the higher time frame. The thing is, EURUSD has been on a bullish move for a while, and this is the higher low it formed, expecting it to give us a higher high. Then the market started respecting this daily supply zone here. So this daily supply zone here is what has caused this price action that has ensued for the past 2 weeks. So, and if you look at it, this is more like a bullish flag chart pattern. I don't know if you are aware of some chart patterns. We call it bullish flag. This is like a bullish flag. This is also like a channel that the market will usually want to break out to the upside. So this is like the likely outcome of this chart pattern. If you are familiar with this kind of chart pattern, this is what is likely going to give us this breakout to the upside. It's a bullish channel or a bullish flag, or whatever you want to name it or call it. But the usual outcome of this channel is that it's going to break out to the upside. So that's another thing to consider. So if this demand is going to hold, then we're likely going to see price break out to the upside. And I told you that this is the ultimate target. At least if you clear this. So if today's fundamentals are going to be strong enough, we may see price clear out this high, then continue to the upside to print higher highs, to print a higher high. Because this is a higher low, so we're likely going to see a higher high, right? But this is something that will take a while, though. this higher high. But at least if this fundamentals favor the buys, we may see here taken out today or tomorrow. So let's see how it goes. Let's see what price does. Let's see what price does. So that's just it for today. That's pretty much today's analysis. That's pretty much today's analysis. Just wait for price to develop and then you enter with proper risk management and you allow it to play out. And you need to also be careful because we later have red events coming up. Red events are lined up for the whole day. So you just need to be careful out there. So that's it for today's analysis, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please, if this was useful to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this and also like the video. Then you can check the description of this video. You'll find the links to my socials. You'll find the links to my Telegram where you can join my channel and then get my trade signals, my trade setups and all that I trade. So that's it for this one. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.